Hi everybody, so we're going to carry on with our handwriting practice. I hope we're getting more confident and we're getting better and neater the more we're practicing. And we're going to carry on today with some diagonal joins again, but this time we're going to be joining a letter to a letter which has got an ascender, a tall letter. So it's still using a diagonal join, but we're going to go from a small letter up to a tall letter. So I'm going to start off by joining a C to a letter H. So I'm going to do my C, which is anti-clockwise letter, coming round here. Then I'm going to go a diagonal join, but they're really tall, just below the red line, and then down, up, over, and flick. Okay, so you can see how we've gone into this tall letter with an ascender. So I'm going just up to that red line at the top. So I'm going to do that again. So C, an anti-clockwise letter coming round this way. Diagonal join, up tall, then I'm going to come down, up, over and flick. So you could carry on doing a line or a couple of lines for C to an H. When you've done that, you then would want to build some words to practice. So for example, you might write the word chin. So the C to the H, just as we practiced, and then a diagonal join, down, diagonal join, down, up, over and flick. So you could practice writing the word chin. Again, making sure your letters are sat on the blue line and that these letters are coming up to this blue line here. So once you've done chin, you could write chat. So exactly the same again. The C to the H, and then from the H to an A diagonal join and hook over, come back round, and then a diagonal join, but we're going to go to a nice tall T, down, flick. So you might write the word chat. So I've got chin and chat. I could have a go at writing the word chop. So a C again, diagonal join up high to the red line, and then a diagonal join, hook over, come back round, and then from an O to a P, it's going to be a horizontal line, come all the way down to this red line here, up and round. Okay, so when we practice joining a C to an H, you could have a go at joining a T to an H. So they're both tall letters, they're both ascenders. So I'm going to start on the red line, come down, and I'm going to go up to the red line, down, up, over and flick. Okay, so on the red line, come down, diagonal join, but up high to the red line, down, up, over and flick. Again, you could practice a line or a couple of lines until you've mastered that. Then you might want to practice some words with a T and an H in. So for example, you might have the word think. So T to an H to an I to an N, and then the K, which sometimes can be a little bit tricky. If you remember, we come up to the red line, we go down, and we come up to the blue line, around, down and flick. You want to practice those K's before you write the word think. Let's just do a little bit of practice. We might start on the red line, come down, up to the blue line, around, down and flick. So if you're not so confident with the K, you could just do a little bit of practice beforehand. Once you've written the word think, you could practice the word this. So exactly the same. T to an H, diagonal join to the I, diagonal join to an S, come back round. So you could write think this, you could write that. So exactly the same again. Diagonal join, hook over to the A, and then I'm going to do a diagonal join but up tall to do that T. Okay, so when you practice those words, again we could put some